Who's your favorite group?
Beatles. Jake Giles.
I like Rush and the Stones.
Clutch. AC/DC.
Styx.
Joan Jett.
Journey.
Who do you like?
Huh?
Who do you like?
I am speaking English. I know living in Florida.
Sorry, how you doing?
Hey,
And how about Slim Whitman?
my favorite musician of all time. What was the bear's name in there?
I'm not too sure.
Elvis Presley.
I like Lawrence Will. And the 1 and the 2.
You know it seems like someone's out to get me. They wanna take whatever I've got. Well, I got something they can never get to because it's hidden in the right spot. It's a gift that comes from the heavens. It's a sound in back of my mind. So they can take anything they want to, but they can't take the sound I found. 'Cause I'm a when I lost my woman. She took everything that I had. Around and round, not knowing where I'm going. I thought my life had ended right there. I heard a ring and something tried to tell me that it wasn't really that bad. Just let them take anything they want to, but they can't take what's in your head. 'Cause you're a took my boat. There goes my shirt. Well, who needs clothes? She took the shoes right off my feet. But that's okay. I got the beat. I got the bass. I got the band. So let them take just what they can. They'll take the hands right off the clock. But they can't take the sound of the rock. Sound of the rock.
Wonderful boys and girls. Thank you. And now let's get down and get the funky, squat down low, shake your booties. With our next
Thank you, Mr. Welk.
song.
That's a take.
Huh?
That's a take. Thank you.
Huh?
That's a take, Mr. Welk. You need to get off stage now. Get off.
Okay.
Get off.
Okay, dokie.